What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit Day, number 189. And today we're going to do another flavored vodka, and it's going to be from Roots and Wings. I'm getting down close to almost being out of all the cool stuff they sent me, but if you remember last week or the week before, I did the truffle vodka, which was spectacular. So I've kind of got high hopes for this. Now, let me preface this, which I like to preface a lot before these episodes. I'm not a huge fan of dill pickle. I just don't like dill. I like pickle, I just don't like dill. Remember when I did Gaston's Plunder from Weirwood? This one has the same sort of olfactory assault straight off the hop. Oh, you cannot go hard on that at all. This is intense. Super intense. Now, the wonderful thing is that, so it's garlic, dill lovers. So yeah, it's got that garlic, it's got dill, and got pickle. The wonderful thing with the Roots and Wings base vodka, it's corn and potato. So it just latches onto savory ingredients, garlic, truffles, dill, all that sort of stuff. It just plays well. On the nose, wow. It is massive, it's a beast. I'm hesitating to smell again. Big garlic, huge dill, like real dill, like crushing up dill in your hands and sniffing it. Oh, wow. My mouth is watering, even though I don't usually like these sort of flavor profiles. My mouth is just like, yeah, you want this. Oh wow, on the palate, much more subtle, cleaner. The vodka actually comes through first, and then you get the garlic, then you get the dill, then you get that sort of pickle in the back, but you get this quite fresh and clean vodka notes in the front, and then it goes through the flavors, which is very, very interesting. On the nose, I was expecting like just a punch in the face of dill and garlic, but with this one, vodka first, clean, nice and clean, fresh, really hits you in the face. And then you get the dill, then you get the garlic, and then you get this nice clean face. Don't get me wrong, I'm not going to be kissing my wife anytime soon after this. But that being said, another fantastic flavored vodka. I think I'm going to go out on a limb and say that I think that Roots and Wings makes my favorite flavored vodkas ever, like ever. And I don't like flavored vodkas. Like literally, their flavored vodka range, the truffle in this one, has changed my opinion on flavored vodka. Maybe it's because I just want this savory. I just think of Chinar. I think of like all these different flavors when I taste these things. But 189 dill pickle vodka from Roots and Wings. See you guys tomorrow. I do apologize I didn't do an episode yesterday. I had end of month to do at Clive's, and I had to count all this stuff, so that takes some time. But I'm back. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.